Hey, told me about all your insecurities. What? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around.
Hey girly, your girl is back and I'm so excited to be showing you guys this curly unit that I received from XRS Beauty today. I'm so here for XRS because they have this new clear lace and it's so much better than transparent lace. As you can see, I gave you a comparison side by side. It gives wet lace as soon as you pop it on, you guys. So you don't have to worry about all the tips and tricks that you may need to know to get that super like melted lace illusion. It's more convenient for my girls that want a quick 1-2 slay, you know, a at home situation, don't want to go to the salon, want to save a little coin or whatever. So it's perfect and it's pre-plucked, you guys. You can't beat that. So I'm going to take my lace tint spray. You can use whatever one. This is the Magic Collection one. I do have a full face of makeup on, so I do like to tint my lace when this is the case. And I'm going to take my Got To Be Glue hairspray just to intact this wig and make sure it's, you know, holding down all day long. I love my Got To Be Glue spray. I do have a love-hate relationship with Got To Be Glue, but she was my girl that week when I was doing my installs. And I do take this rat tail comb so I can press the lace into, you know, the hairspray as well as into my forehead, and everything is going to melt as soon as I pop this elastic band on. I like to loosen up the hair with a little bit of serum and take my hot comb and just press it out into the parting area that I want this, you know, curliana to go into this day. I went for a side part. I thought I was going to go for a middle part, but a side part was going to have to cut it, and I was definitely feeling it. It does have really deep parting on this unit, so I also was pleased with that. And the deets to this unit will be listed in the description box below. It's a really like easy, low maintenance unit. You may not think that's the case because it's a curly unit, but honestly, you guys, like a little bit of water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner is going to do the job. I use the TGIN green tea leave-in conditioner. I will link that in the description box below, and I just wanted to show you guys how easy it was to just kind of get a curl pattern before the water bottle, and it did work. But just to like make the product, you know, work around the hair a little bit more, I did add that water, and I added some more serum. This is the Moroccan oil serum from Garnier, and I like to put that in the mix because I want that luster and that moisture in the hair as well. Now, I wanted to give a more shorter look with the curly unit, so I did go in and added some face frame layers, and then I just cut some of the hair into a more shorter look, and I thought it just made the curls pop a little bit more. I haven't done a short look like this with curly hair in a very long time, and every time I do it, it looks so freaking bomb, you guys. So I was so happy with the results. I felt like the hair just gave way more life in a style, like in a shorter look like this, and I was so here for the quality. It just turned out so nice once it air dried. It smells so good, and it just was everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this part of the video because it's just like, you know, me zhuzhing up the hair and just manipulating it, and also throwing some layers into the hair and cutting it into my desired length. So I do like to take some more hair out towards the top half. Any side part look, you want to take that density out so it can lay pretty flat. I'd like to take a paddle brush to also like manipulate the curls so it can be a little bit more uniform than normal. And then I take the elastic band off, and you're going to see me do the same thing with the paddle brush again, just so I can get the hair in the direction that I want it to go. Zhuzh the curls back up a little bit more, and then I'm going to remove the lace and all that good stuff with you guys. But overall, this is basically what I did with my XRS unit, you guys. A what lace illusion to this clear lace, you guys. I'm telling you, like, it just looks so natural, and you don't have to do much other than intact it, cut it, and you're done. Like, that's pretty much it. Cut the extra lace off, and then you're out of there, girl. You know, you don't have to do any extra plucking if you don't need to, if that's not your vibe, if that's not your thing. And let me know in the comment section what your favorite lace is, because I'm so spoiled by XRS and them sending out clear lace units, because when I don't have a good lace, you guys, I just be like, there's no way that I'm keeping this installed, or I just be acting like, yeah, it's just not going to work. I do take a little bit of that lace tint spray just to tap around the edges where I felt like it just kind of like, you know, needed a little bit more TLC. Took some more of that serum and popped it around the hairline. This is actually the BTS or the BTZ Turn Up the Heat thermal spray. And yeah, I just touched up, you know, the hairline with that just to add some oil up there. But overall, this is the look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.
That was before me. I must have changed it, shifted your focus. Let's look and jaded. Most of these things I wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you